So a lot of people have been asking me to follow up on my last video. That's the one where I explained that trauma isn't just emotional, it's also a physical injury to the nervous system. So here's another way to think about it. Our bodies are built to adapt to the environments we live in. If you move to high altitude, you get used to thin air. If you live in a cold climate, you acclimate to the temperature. But when your environment is filled with chronic stress or trauma or intense situations, your body adapts to that too, learns to expect danger. Over time, starts functioning as if the threat never goes away. And that's when the fight or flight system gets stuck on, even when life has moved on, even when you're in a safe environment. But that's where neurosympathetic reset helps. It can restore the natural balance of how our nervous system responds to your environment. It's a simple 20-minute outpatient procedure, but for many, it is life-changing. By calming the overactive stress response, the body can finally shift back towards a state of safety and regulation. When that happens, people start to notice real changes. Better sleep, a sense of calm, a renewed sense of peace that they haven't felt in years. It's not about erasing trauma, it's about helping the body find that balance again. So true healing can begin. Now, if you haven't seen my first video yet, go check it out. And stay tuned for the next one, where I'll talk more about how NSR fits into a complete mind-body approach of recovery and resilience. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for listening.